Hey, love, this is PDH with Love on Tour. Our love is on tour at the Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas, Nevada. Let's find out what the media suite is all about. Let's do it. Hey, lovers, this is PDH, and this is another sweet review. So this time we're at the Mandalay Bay, and I am still on my journey to stay at every single suite on the Las Vegas Strip. So today I'm at the Mandalay Bay, and I'm in their media suite room. Now the room is just over 2,000 square feet, so a very, very large room. But I love it when you walk up to your room, it's got those double doors, especially at the end of the hallway. You know that's a big boy when you get there, because that's where all the big boys are, at the end of the hallway with the double doors. Now, so you walk in and you've got this massive foyer that is beautiful and it's well decorated. In fact, that's where I'm doing this video. It's got this nice little couch here, but it is a massive unused space. I mean, it is probably 150 square feet just in this area, and there is absolutely nothing going on here. So I always think about that in terms of being so torn. It's like, yeah, it gives you this grand feel when you walk into the room, but then the space is just unusable unless you're going to stand and talk in the hallway or sit and stare at a wall in the hallway instead of in the beautiful living room and out the window and other places. But that's just me. I'm curious about what you think in terms of those grand foyers. Do you think they're a waste of space, or do you think they add to the room? Now, when you walk in to the left, you've got that nice little guest bathroom, which I love, so you don't have to have people in your personal space if you do have people come and visit you in your room. But it is bare bones. It is just literally a water closet with a sink. And then as you come into the room, you actually have a beautiful sitting area with two large armchairs that I love, very, very comfortable. In fact, I moved them over to the window just to sit down and look out. And then you also have a beautiful couch there. And then over in the corner, a wet bar. Now in the wet bar, you've got a refrigerator, a mini bar or honor bar, a sink, under sink storage, and you also have a nice little desk area there in the corner. Now the desk area is in an awkward space. It's someplace over by itself, like that's where you want to be in this room, staring at a wall in the corner. But I'm sure that it was just leftover space. Why not put a desk here? And it makes sense. Make the space do something at least. So the living area is large and very comfortable, and I actually enjoy it a lot in terms of all the different places that you can sit and congregate and really entertain. Then there is the media suite itself. Now, this is why it's called the media suite, because you have this separate room with this massive laid-out couch where you can go in and watch movies. Now, there's a 65-inch TV in there, a subwoofer and a sound bar, and a bunch of electronics underneath that help to control the entire space. But there was no Blu-ray or DVD player, which I found to be very interesting considering this is a media suite, and really the only way to watch movies is to bring your own streaming device or buy the movies to the hotel. Now, I did bring my own streaming device, so it did, you have the little connection box that doesn't always work in these rooms, but this time it did work. I was able to put my Fire Stick in there and watch movies, so that was fantastic. So then we have the master bedroom, which has a large king bed. It's a lot of walking space in here, but in this room, the space doesn't feel wasted. It feels like a large master suite, which is what you want to feel in a suite this big. Then you have a walk-in closet, which is massive. It even has a dresser inside of the walk-in closet. And inside of the closet itself, you've got your hangers and places to hang your clothes. And it did come with 2 robes and 2 pairs of house shoes. The last room in this suite is the bathroom. And it's got this really cool curved entryway to lead you into the bathroom, which I thought was a very nice touch. The shower is a double shower with 2 shower heads. Didn't get your rainfall shower, which I love, as you know. But you do have a double shower there. So if you got your boo with you, your wifey, you can take a shower there with together or what have you. It is also a steam shower. So you can actually turn on the steam and actually get a nice little steam shower there as well. Now inside, further inside of the bathroom, you've got your double vanities, a large soaking tub, and your water closet, which rounds out your bathroom. So this media suite is a large, beautiful room that's really set up for great entertaining if that's what you wish to do, or if you have a family and just want to watch a movie together, or if you just come with your wife and you just want to have some space to roam and also a nice room to watch movies or entertain yourself with a nice little mini bar and drinks and what have you. And this suite, comparatively by square footage, which you pay for other suites, is a steal and a value for sure. Well, that does it for this episode of Love Boat Tour. This is PDH. Remember, it's love above all, love will travel, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.